Just one more video, Bilal. This cartoon is so fun. We've been watching for a long time, Umar.
Assalam-o-Alaikum, boys. How are my digital explorers doing today?
Assalamu-Alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam, Dad.
Screens can be wonderful tools, but too much screen time wastes our precious time.
Wait, have we been sitting here for 2 whole hours?
Yes, Allah gave us time as a special gift, and we must not waste it. Rule number 1, always set a smart time limit before turning on your screen.
Like a fun challenge timer.
Rule number 2, use your screens to seek beneficial knowledge.
Look, Umar, we can practice our Quran recitations together. And no slouching. Good health is part of taking care of our body.
MashaAllah, Umar, perfect posture.
MashaAllah, Umar, perfect posture. And no slouching. Good health is part of taking care of our body. Time's up! When the timer rings, screen time ends happily. My eyes feel fresh. Now what should we do, Dad?
Time for real-world adventures outside! Playing outside, helping family, and reading Quran.
Make our minds strong. This is way more fun than staring at a small screen all day. Real life has the best graphics anyway.
Remember, screens are tools for good, not things to trap our minds.
Smart timer, good apps, play. That is our new screen time pledge. Hit that like and subscribe button. And comment down below how much screen time you take every day.
See you next time on Islamic Kids Land.